Don't let the memories of your past limit the potential of your future. The trouble is if you don't spend your life yourself, other people spend it for you. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Just choose to be happy and live your own life. People tend to complicate their own lives as if living were not already complicated enough. Start each day with a positive thought and a grateful heart. Do what you love what you do, and with all your heart, give yourself to it. Life is about accepting the challenges along the way, choosing to keep moving forward, and savoring the journey. Make improvements, not excuses. Seek respect, not attention. Be grateful for what you already have while you pursue your goals. Never lose hope. Storms make people stronger and never last forever. Always find opportunities to make someone smile and to offer random acts of kindness in everyday life. We are addicted to our thoughts. We cannot change anything if we cannot change our thinking. If there is a single lesson that life teaches us, it's that wishing does not make it so. Sometimes you have to lose all you have to find who you truly are. Instructions for living a life: pay attention, be astonished, tell about it. Happiness is not the absence of problems, it's the ability to deal with them. Pain is a pisky part of being human. I have learned it feels like a stamp wound to the heart. Pain is a sudden hurt that cannot be escaped. But then I have also learned that because of pain, I can feel the beauty, tenderness, and freedom of healing. Pain feels like a fast stamp wound to the heart. But then healing feels like the wind against your face when you are spreading your wings and flying through the air. We have to be honest about what we want and take risks rather than lie to ourselves and make excuse to stay in your comfort zone. To stay in our comfort zone. Once you realize you deserve a bright future, letting go of your dark past is the best choice you will ever make. It is better to live your own destiny imperfectly than to live an imitation somebody else's life with perfection. If you believe very strongly in something, stand up and fight for it. The outer world is a reflection of the inner world. Other people's perception of you is a reflection of them. Your response to them is an awareness of you. In everybody's life, there is a point of no return, and in every few cases, a point where you cannot go forward anymore. Always remember people who have helped you along the way, and don't forget to lift someone up. If you have a strong purpose in life, you don't have to be pushed. Your passion will drive you there. If you don't take control of yourself and your own life, someone else is bound to try. Stop giving other people to power to control your happiness, your mind, and your life. Everyone you meet is a part of your journey, but not all of them are meant to stay in your life. Smile more. Smiling can make you and others happy. Maturity is when you stop complaining and making excuses and start making changes. Hiding how you really feel and trying to make everyone happy does not make you nice, it just makes you a liar. Don't let others tell you what you can do, what you cannot do. Don't let the limitations of others limit your vision. If you can remove your self-doubt and believe in yourself, you can achieve what you never thought possible. Never let hard lessons harden your heart. The hard lessons of life are meant to make you better, not bitter. Strong people have a strong sense of self-worth and self-awareness. They don't need the approval of others. You have got to get obsessed and stay obsessed. Some people are just passing through to bring you gifts, either they are blessing or lessons. When the going gets tough, put one foot in front of the other and just keep going, don't give up. Courage is feeling fear, not getting rid of fear, and taking action in the face of fear. Kindness is not a business. True kindness expects nothing in return and should never act with conditions. The strongest people find the courage and caring to help others even if they are going through their own storm. What you are supposed to do when you don't like a thing is change it. If you cannot change it, change the way you think about it. Nothing can disturb your peace of mind unless you allow it to. Certain things in life simply have to be experienced and never explained. Love is a such thing. How hurtful it can be to deny one's true self and live a life of lies just to appease others. You are the master of your attitude. You cannot control what happens to you, but you can control the way you think about all the events. You always have a choice. You can choose to face them with a positive mental attitude. You don't have to disrespect and insult others simply to hold your own ground. If you do, that shows how shaky your own position is. Each day brings new opportunities, allowing you to constantly live with love, be there for others, bring a little light into someone's days, be grateful and live each day to the fullest. A smile puts you on the right track. A smile makes the world a beautiful place. When you lose your smile, you lose your way in the choice of life. Don't let arrogance go to your head and disappear to your heart. Don't let compliments go to your head and criticism to your heart. Don't let success go to your head and failure to your heart. Count your own blessings, not someone else. Remember that jealousy is when you count someone else's blessings instead of your own. It's never too late to change your life for the better. You don't have to take hug steps to change your life. Making even the smallest changes to your daily routine can make a big difference to your life. The biggest wall you have to climb is the one you build in your mind. Never let your mind talk you out of your dreams, trick you into giving up. Never let your mind become the greatest obstacle to success. Sometimes all a person wants is an empathetic ear. All he or she needs is to talk it out. Just offering a listening ear and an understanding heart for his or her suffering can be a big comfort. Perfectionism is the enemy of happiness. Embrace being perfectly imperfect. Learn from your mistakes and forgive yourself. You will be happier. We make mistakes because we are imperfect. Learn from your mistakes, forgive yourself, and keep moving forward. Subscribe now.